My name is Courtney Fingar, Principal of Fingar Direct Investment. I was very pleased to moderate the Ministerial Round Table, and I found it a really interesting discussion and very important because, of course, the political support is essential to the success of free zones globally. So I thought it was really great to have a full table of ministers from around the world actively engaged in discussions about how to make the free zones in their countries successful. As for the future of free zones, I am quite optimistic. Free zones remain a slightly controversial topic in many parts of the world, but they have an essential role to play as global value chains are reconfigured. And I think more and more governments are waking up to that fact and the essentiality of free zones to their national economies.